The e-commerce portal is live. What training options do we offer to the users and administrators of the portal?
One of the things that are included in the Novarto Boost Package is the variety of training that are created specifically for the clients, because there is no silver bullet to solve all the problems that the different users can have. So that's why we create tailored training according to the customer that we are working with.
What format does these trainings offer?
Well, we include different kinds of options. We have manuals that include step-by-step guidance for crucial actions. Also, we can have interactive training, like participating in a live workshop or calls with the trainees. So it's important to us to be hands-on on their training, so we can ensure the success of the portal.
And what about the administrators, the people that will be managing the backend of the portal?
We also include training for the administrators, including crucial functionalities like customer management, content management. Also, critical tasks are like updating the content, updating the product lists, and maintaining all the data that is needed for the portal.
Why is it important that we also train the administrators, for example?
The portal includes a vast majority of functionalities, so it's important for the administrator to know all the capabilities that are provided to them, so they can efficiently customize the portal on the go, to change the display data, to create their own campaigns, for example, sales campaigns, also to update the product lists and ensure the quality of all the data that's included in the portal.